I bet you didn't know your next phone could be smarter than you. Meet the iPhone 16, Apple's first AI phone. The iPhone 16 isn't just a phone, it's an AI phone. With Microsoft's Copilot and Google's Gemini in the ring, Apple had to step up its game. Enter generative AI. Apple's new brainchild, Apple Intelligence, takes your phone experience to the next level. Imagine a phone that not only understands you, but anticipates your needs. The iPhone 16 comes in 4 different models, each tailored to fit your lifestyle. From the sleek design to the powerful new A17 chip, it's all about performance and personalization. But that's not all. Pair it with the new Apple Watch Series 10 for seamless health tracking or the AirPods 4 for an immersive audio experience. It's more than an upgrade. It's a revolution. So, are you ready to meet your new personal assistant? The future is here, and it's called the iPhone 16. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech.